Meaning of furore.
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 Furore. Furore is a noun that means a sudden outburst of excitement or controversy. It typically implies a highly emotional and volatile reaction to something. The word is often used in relation to public opinion, especially in the context of media coverage. A furore can be triggered by a wide range of events, such as political scandals, celebrity gaffes, or viral social media posts. The result of a furore can be significant, ranging from damage to reputations and businesses, to changes in social norms and cultural attitudes.